Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute Christmas tree. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute Christmas tree, let's begin with the top. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up, and then we're just going to bring this down. Next, I'm going to bring this line in on each side to start some of the branches. Next, we're going to do this again, but this time we're going to come out a little bit farther, and then we'll bring it back in. Then let's do this one more time, bringing it down. And we'll bring this side down, and then just bring it in. Then we're just going to connect. Now, up here, let's make a star. So let's begin by making a little line that's going to come up and down. Then let's go out and in, and out and in. Then we're going to go down and back in, down and back in. Now, let's make the trunk of the tree. So let's begin by making a little line that's going to come down, and a line that's going to come down. Then I like to make this little curve shape around the bottom. We'll make another curve here, and another curve here. Then we'll make a line down, and we'll make it kind of wiggly, so it kind of looks like there's a blanket around the bottom. Now let's make a fun little face on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. Let's go ahead and make a nice big circle up here, and we'll make another big circle up here. And then we can make a smaller one towards the bottom. Then go ahead and just color in the middle part, leaving those circles white. This way we kind of make some cute little eyes on our Christmas tree. Or I guess I should say kind of big, cute eyes. Next, for the mouth, let's make a little smile. And then we're going to go down and up with a little curve here. Now, I want to put some Christmas lights on here. So let's just make some diagonal lines. Let's come down to here. Then let's go to here. We'll curve it over to here. Then we'll bring it down to here. Then let's go ahead and just make some little oval shapes on here. And this will just be our little Christmas lights all over our fun, cute little Christmas tree. So we're just going to put these all around here. And just make some fun little lights on here. Now, let's add some ornaments. So let's just make some different little circle shapes all around here. You can make some of them off to the side. You can make some of them kind of hanging off the tree. We're just going to kind of fill this up with just some fun little ornaments and some of these empty spaces here. Put another little one off to the side here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun, cute little Christmas tree. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.